Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video again, my name is Indah Puspita and my student's number is 186111043. So in this video, I will like to answer the question, what is the difference behaviorist perspective and innatist perspective in second language acquisition. So the behaviorist perspective, it is dominate the study of learning throughout the first half of the 20th century. So according to this theory, behaviorist perspective, it's like babies learn oral language from the humans in their environment through imitation, rewards, and practice. And when a baby tries to speak a word and succeed, parents and other adults in his world often praise him. This propels the child to try harder to achieve more. So behaviorism is an approach to language acquisition based on the proposition that behavior can be researched scientifically without resource to inner mental states. So it's like the language learning is a habit formation resembling formation of other habits. And this theory, behaviorist, puts emphasis on three important factors like stimulus, response, and reinforcement. And meanwhile, innatist theory, innatist theory is a direct challenge to the established behaviorist theories of the time. So this oral language development theory states that learning is a natural process for human beings. And the innatist theory gives rise to the language acquisition device, which is thought to be a part of the brain that enables all children to grasp language naturally. So, however, the innatist theory fails to explain why children from different cultures and environments vary in the time taken to develop oral language. So, the innatist theory is more widely accepted and understood than the behaviorist theory because it's like when we born, we have our first language. So the first language is like the innatist perspective like this, and behaviorist is like if we, because our habits, maybe because our environment, like speak in English, so we can speak in English because our habits to speak in English. So the difference between behaviorist theory and innatist theory. So behaviorist theory is according to behavior, language is learned in the way other habits are learned. And meanwhile, innatist theory, according to innatism, language develops in the same way as other biological function. So in behaviorist theories, they are through behaviorist theory, language acquisition is a stimulus-response process. On the other hand, in innatist theory, language acquisition is a congenital process. And the third is In behaviorism, knowledge is seen as a constant. Meanwhile, in innatist theory, learning is said to be successful when the child can generate innumerable grammatically correct sentences and reject ungrammatical ones. And the last is the difference. The behaviorist view holds that children need formal teaching and guidance to learn in a correct way, like in school, like that. And on the other hand, innatist theory, its views maintains that children do not require primary formal instruction, like because we born and our parents speak in Indonesian biological function. Biological function, we can speak Indonesian also, like that. So that's it, the difference between innatist theory and behaviorist theory. Thank you.